Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can scan your computer in Command. It's simple. Simply start by opening Command. Then run it as administrator. Then after having your CMD opened, simply type in sfc/ and then scan now. Then after type in enter. And as you can see, suddenly your computer started to scan now. So as you can see, it's not suddenly going to finish fast, so simply take your time and wait for further results. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.